is this?
Here we have a wet mount of boogers, or snot as you might call it.
This looks like a chicken.
Seems like we caught some cells in there. This is at 400 times magnification though.
Look, it's flapping its little arms.
Quit.
And this is the little baby chicken.
You can see some stained cells.
Look at that snot. Snot is not.
Watch him. You can see him here on the screen.
Look at that.
Found this little guy, my booger. Don't know what he is. Single-cellular.
A killer bacteria.
Look at him. Look at him go. He's really cool. Look at him move around
He
the
also could
environment.
be a death-giving bacteria, but you know, that's cool.
He's not back like he no.
Hey, look, there's something else moving.
Where?
Little black dot.
That is him.
Oh, he was white a minute ago.
Well, it depends on how I focus on him, whether he's a little cellular blob or whether he's... Oh, he's slowed down now.
He's dying.
Yeah, he's like, you killed me with your hot lights. No, I still see him moving around, but...
He gonna die.
He might. But that's pretty fun. Look at that big chunk of snot right there.
It looks like a shell.
Looks like there's some cells caught in there too.
Ooh, look at the cells caught in the snot.
Yeah.
That's not gross at all.
That's 400 times magnification there. What your booger looks like.
Looks like a stingray with his tail behind it.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, there's a rat. Look at that.